So when you have your document done and you want to put it onto your caseload sheet, you have to fix the sharing settings first. So go up to Share, and you're going to hit this link settings, and just do it to anyone, and then it'll just be viewing. Because for right now, I don't need to edit it. Nobody needs to edit it. So right here, you could just do it to view. If you wanted somebody to edit it later on, then just change that to edit. But for right now, this is just going to be for view. And hit apply. So then you can just do right here, and you'll see that it says exactly what you want, and hit the copy link button. Then just go up to your caseload, and you're just going to hit into the place that you want it into the cell. You can right click and it'll say insert a link, and it'll display the text that I want to display. So then right here in the box, I will just do Control V and then press OK. That's the same way that you're going to do your SDI. And then also you're going to upload the paper copy example that I gave you as well.